Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will discuss NEET 2025 previous year questions with answers. Let's start the video. Question number 1. The complex 2 of mitochondrial electron transport chain is also known as 1. Cytochrome Bc, 2. Succinate dehydrogenase, 3. Cytochrome C oxidase, 4. NAD dehydrogenase. Answer: 2. Succinate dehydrogenase. 2. Polymerase chain reaction (PCR) amplifies DNA following the equation 1. N power 2, 2. 2 power n, 3. 2n plus 1, 4. 2o. Answer: 2. 2 power n. 3. What are the potential drawbacks in adoption of the IVF method? A. High fatality risk to mother. B. Expensive instruments and reagents. C. Husband, wife necessary for being donors. D. Less adoption of orphans. E. Not available in India. F. Possibility that the early embryo does not survive. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. B, D, F only. 2. A, C, D, F only. 3. A, B, C, D only. 4. A, B, C, E, F only. Answer: 1. B, D, F only. 4. What is the name of the blood vessel that carries deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart in a frog? 1. Aorta. 2. Pulmonary artery. 3. Pulmonary vein. 4. Vena cava. Answer: 4. Vena cava. 5. Which one of the following statements refers to reductionist biology? 1. Physico-chemical approach to study and understand living organisms. 2. Physiological approach to study and understand living organisms. 3. Chemical approach to study and understand living organisms. 4. Behavioral approach to study and understand living organisms. Answer: 1. Physico-chemical approach to study and understand living organisms. 6. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The RNA world, RNA is considered the first genetic material evolved to carry out essential life processes. RNA acts as a genetic maternal and also as a catalyst for some important biochemical reactions in living systems. Being reactive, RNA is unstable. Statement 2. DNA evolved from RNA and as a more stable genetic material. Its double helical strands being complementary, resist changes by evolving repairing mechanism. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement E are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement it are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement I is incorrect but statement E is correct. Answer: 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 7. Epiphytes that are growing on a mango branch is an example of which of the following? 1. Commensalism. 2. Mutualism. 3. Predation. 4. Amensalism. Answer: 1. Commensalism. 8. From the statements given below choose the correct option. A. The eukaryotic ribosomes are 805 and prokaryotic ribosomes are 705. B. Each ribosome has two subunits. C. The two subunits of 805 ribosome are 605 and 405 while that of 705 are 505 and 305. D. The two subunits of 805 ribosome are 605 and 205 and that of 705 are 505 and 205. E. The two subunits of 805 are 605 and 305 and that of 705 are SOS and 305. 1a, b, c are true. 2a, b, d are true. 3a, b, e are true. 4b, d, E are true. Answer: 1a, b, c are true. 9. Which one of the following is an example of ex situ conservation? 1. National Park. 2. Wildlife Sanctuary. 3. Zoos and Botanical Gardens. 4. Protected Areas. Answer: 3. Zoos and Botanical Gardens. 10. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The primary source of energy in an ecosystem is solar energy. Statement 2. The rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis in an ecosystem is called net primary productivity, NPP. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement E are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 11. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Emphysema. 1. Rapid spasms in muscle due to low Ca in body fluid. B. Angina pectoris. 2. Damaged alveolar walls and decreased respiratory surface. C. Glomerulonephritis. 3. Acute chest pain when not enough oxygen is reaching to heart muscle. D. Tetany. 4. Inflammation of glomerule of kidney. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A3, B1, C4, D2. 2A3, B1, C2, D4. 3A2, B4, C3, D1. 4A2, B3, C4, D1. Answer. 4A2, B3, C4, D1. 12. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A, and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, both wind and water pollinated flowers are not very colorful and do not produce nectar. Reason R, the flowers produce enormous amount of pollen grains in wind and water pollinated flowers. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both A and B are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. 4. A is false but R is true. Answer. 2. Both A and B are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 13. Which of the following is an example of non-distilled alcoholic beverage produced by yeast? 1. Whiskey. 2. Brandy. 3. Beer. 4. Rum. Answer. 3. Beer. 14. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In a floral formula, positive stands for zygomorphic nature of the flower, and G stands for inferior ovary. Statement 2. In a floral formula, positive stands for actinomorphic nature of the flower and G stands for superior ovary. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement E are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement E are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement E is correct. Answer. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement E is correct. 15. Streptokinase produced by bacterium Streptococcus is used for 1. Curd production. 2. Ethanol production. 3. Liver disease treatment. 4. Removing clots from blood vessels. Answer. 4. Removing clots from blood vessels. 16. Which chromosome in the human genome has the highest number of genes? 1. Chromosome X. 2. Chromosome Y. 3. Chromosome 1. 4. Chromosome 10. Answer. 3. Chromosome 1. 17. Which of the following statement is correct about location of the male frog copulatory pad? 1. First and second digit of forelimb. 2. First digit of hind limb. 3. Second digit of forelimb. 4. First digit of the forelimb. Answer. 4. First digit of the forelimb. 18. Which one of the following phytohormones promotes nutrient mobilization which helps in the delay of leaf senescence in plants? 1. Ethylene. 2. Abscisic acid. 3. Gibberellin. 4. Cytokinin. Answer. 4. Cytokinin. 19. While trying to find out the characteristic of a newly found animal, a researcher did the histology of adult animal and observed a cavity with presence of mesodermal tissue towards the body wall but no mesodermal tissue was observed towards the alimentary canal. What could be the possible coelom of that animal? 1. Acoelomate. 2. Pseudocoelomate. 3. Schizocoelomate. 4. Spongocoelomate. Answer. 2. Pseudocoelomate. 20. Match list -1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Head. 1. Enzymes. B. Middle. Piece. 2. Sperm motility. C. Acrosome. 3. Energy. D. Tail. 4. Genetic material. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B3, C1, D2. 2A4, B3, C2, D1. 3A3, B4, C2, D1. 4A3, B2, C1, D4. Answer: 1A4, B3, C1, D2. 21. Given below are the stages in the life cycle of pteridophytes. Arrange the following stages in the correct sequence. A. Prothallus stage. B. Meiosis in spore mother cells. C. Fertilization. D. Formation of archegonia and antheridia in gametophyte. E. Transfer of anthrazoids to the archegonia in presence of water. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. B, A, D, E, C. 2. B, A, E, C, D. 3. D, E, C, A, B. 4. E, D, C, B, A. Answer: 1. B, A, D, E, C. 22. Cardiac activities of the heart are regulated by A. Nodal tissue. B. A special neural center in the medulla oblongata. C. Adrenal medullary hormones. D. Adrenal cortical hormones. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, B and C only. 2. A, B, C and D. 3. A, C and D only. 4. A, B and D only. Answer: 1. A, B and C only. 23. Which of following organisms cannot fix nitrogen? A. Azotobacter. B. Oscillatoria. C. Anabaing. D. Volva. E. Nostoc. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A only. 2. D only. 3. B only. 4. E only. Answer: 2. D only. 24. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Transfer RNAs and ribosomal RNA do not interact with mRNA. Statement 2. RNA interference, RNAi, takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer: 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. 25. In the above represented plasmid, an alien piece of DNA is inserted at a Cori site. Which of the following strategies will be chosen to select the recombinant colonies? 1. Using ampicillin and tetracycline containing medium plate. 2. Blue color colonies will be selected. 3. White color colonies will be selected. 4. Blue color colonies grown on ampicillin plates can be selected. Answer: 3. White color colonies will be selected. 26. Which of the following genetically engineered organisms was used by Eli Lilly to prepare human insulin? 1. Bacterium. 2. Yeast. 3. Virus. 4. Phage. Answer: 1. Bacterium. 27. Name the class of enzyme that usually catalyze the following reaction. Where Ga group other than hydrogen. S a substrate. S another substrate. 1. Hydrolase. 2. Lyase. 3. Transferase. 4. Ligase. Answer: 3. Transferase. 28. Find the statement that is not correct with regard to the structure of monocot stem. 1. Hypodermis is parenchymatous. 2. Vascular bundles are scattered. 3. Vascular bundles are conjoint and closed. 4. Phloem parenchymal is absent. Answer: 1. Hypodermis is parenchymatous. 29. The correct sequence of events in the life cycle of bryophytes is: A. Fusion of antherozoid with egg. B. Attachment of gametophyte to substratum. C. Reduction division to produce haploid spores. D. Formation of sporophyte. E. Release of anthrazoids into water. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. D, E, A, C, B. 2. B, E, A, C, D. 3. B, E, A, D, C. 4. D, E, A, B, C. Answer: 3. B, E, A, D, C. 30. Which are correct? A. Computed tomography and magnetic resonance imaging detect cancers of internal organs. B. Chemotherapeutics drugs are used to kill non-cancerous cells. C. Alpha interferon. activate the cancer patient's immune system and helps in destroying the tumor. D. Chemotherapeutic drugs are biological response modifiers. E. In the case of leukemia, blood cell counts are decreased. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. B and D only. 2. D and E only. 3. C and D only. 4. R and C only. Answer. 4. R and C only. 31. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Centromere. 1. Mitochondrion. B. Cilium. 2. Cell division. C. Christie. 3. Cell movement. D. Cell membrane. 4. Phospholipid bilayer. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A1. B2. C3. D4. 2. A2. B1. C4. D3. 3. A5. B2. C3. D1. 4. A2. B3. C1. D4. Answer. 4. A2. B3. C1. D4. 32. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Chlorophyll A. 1. Yellow-green. B. Chlorophyll B. 2. Yellow. C. Xanthophylls. 3. Blue-green. D. Carotenoids. 4. Yellow to yellow-orange. Choose the option with all correct matches. 1. A3. B4. C2. D1. 2. A3. B1. C2. D4. 3. A1. B2. C4. D3. 4. A1. B4. C3. D2. Answer. 2. A3. B1. C2. D4. 33. Find the correct statement. A. In human pregnancy, the major organ systems are formed at the end of 12 weeks. B. In human pregnancy, the major organ systems are formed at the end of B weeks. C. In human pregnancy, heart is formed after 1 month of gestation. D. In human pregnancy, limbs and digits develop by the end of 2nd month. E. In human pregnancy, the appearance of hair is usually observed in the 5th month. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A and E only. 2. B and only. 3. B, C, D and E only. 4. A, C, D and E only. Answer. 4. A, C, D and E only. 34. In the seeds of cereals, the outer covering of endosperm separates the embryo by a protein-rich layer called 1. Coleoptile. 2. Coleorhiza. 3. Integument. 4. Aleurone layer. Answer. 4. Aleurone layer. 35. Which of the following diagrams is correct with regard to the proximal, P, and distal, D, tubule of the nephron? Answer. Option 2 are correct. 36. Identify the part of a bioreactor which is used as a foam breaker from the given figure. 1. A. 2. B. 3. D. 4. C. Answer. 4. C. 37. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A, and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Atypical unfertilized, angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is 8 nucleate and 7 celled. Reason R. The egg apparatus has 2 polar nuclei. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both are and are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. 4. A is false but R is true. Answer. 3. A is true but R is false. 38. A specialized membranous structure in a prokaryotic cell which helps in cell wall formation, DNA replication and respiration is 1. Mesosome. 2. Chromatophores. 3. Christie. 4. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer. 1. Mesosome. 39. Which of the following are the post-transcriptional events in an eukaryotic cell? A. Transport of pre-mRNA to cytoplasm prior to splicing. B. Removal of introns and joining of exons. C. Addition of methyl group at 5' end of hnRNA. D. Addition of adenine residues at 3' end of hnRNA. E. Base pairing of 2 complementary RNAs. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, B, C only. 2. B, C, D only. 3. B, C, E only. 4. C, D, E only. Answer. 2, B, C, D only. 40. What is the pattern of inheritance for polygenic trait? 1. Mendelian inheritance pattern. 2. Non-Mendelian inheritance pattern. 3. Autosomal dominant pattern. 4. X-linked recessive inheritance pattern. Answer. 2. Non-Mendelian inheritance pattern. 41. Which one of the following enzymes contains heme as the prosthetic group? 1. Rubisco. 2. Carbonic anhydrase. 3. Succinate dehydrogenase. 4. Catalase. Answer. 4. Catalase. 42. Each of the following characteristics represent a kingdom proposed by Whittaker. Arrange the following in increasing order of complexity of body organization. A. Multicellular heterotrophs with cell wall made of chitin. B. Heterotrophs with tissue, organ system level of body organization. C. Prokaryotes with cell wall made of polysaccharides and amino acids. D. Eukaryotic autotrophs with tissue, organ level of body organization. E. Eukaryotes with cellular body organization. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, C, E, B, D. 2. C, E, A, D, B. 3. A, C, E, D, B. 4. C, E, A, B, D. Answer. 2. C, E, A, D, B. 43. Who is known as the father of ecology in India? 1. S.R. Kashyap. 2. Ramdeo Misra. 3. Ram Udar. 4. Birbal Satini. Answer. 2. Ramdeo Misra. 44. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. A. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. B. Euchromatin. C. Frederick Griffith. D. Heterochromatin. List 2. 1. Streptococcus pneumoniae. 2. Densely packed and dark stained. 3. Loosely packed and light stained. 4. DNA is genetic material conformation. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. 2. A4, B2, C1, D3. 3. A4, B3, C1, D2. 4. A3, B2, C4, D1. Answer. 3. A4, B3, C1, D2. 45. Neoplastic characteristics of cells refer to A. A mass of proliferating cell. B. Rapid growth of cells. C. Invasion and damage to the surrounding tissue. D. Those confined to original location. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, B only. 2. A, B, C only. 3. A, B, Darnley. 4. B, C, D only. Answer. 2. A, B, C only. 46. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The DNA fragments extracted from gel electrophoresis can be used in construction of recombinant DNA. Statement 2. Smaller size DNA fragments are observed near anode while larger fragments are found near the wells in an agarose gel. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement E is correct. Answer. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 47. Match list I with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Adenosine. 1. Nitrogen base. B. Adenylic acid. 2. Nucleotide. C. Adenine. 3. Nucleoside. D. Alanine. 4. Amino acid. Choose the option with all correct matches. 1. A3, B4, C2, D1. 2. A3, B2, C4, D1. 3. A3, A2, C1, D4. 4. A2, B3, C1, D4. Answer. 3. A3, A2, C1, D4. 48. Consider the following. A. The reductive division for the human female gametogenesis starts earlier than that of the male gametogenesis. B. The gap between the first meiotic division and the second meiotic division is much shorter for males compared to females. C. The first polar body is associated with the formation of the primary oocyte. D. Luteinizing hormone LH surge leads to disintegration of the endometrium and onset of menstrual bleeding. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A and B are true. 2. A and C are true. 3. B and D are true. 4. B and C are true. Answer. 1. A and B are true. 49. All living members of the class Cyclostomata are 1. Free living. 2. Endoparasite. 3. Symbiotic. 4. Ectoparasite. Answer. 4. Ectoparasite. 50. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The primary function of the Golgi apparatus is to package the materials made by the endoplasmic reticulum and deliver it to intracellular targets and outside the cell. Reason R. Vesicles containing materials made by the endoplasmic reticulum fuse with the Siamese phase apparatus, and they are modified and released from the trans phase of the Golgi apparatus. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both are and rare true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. 4. A is false but R is true. Answer. 2. Both are and rare true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 51. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Scutellum. 1. Persistent nucellus. B. Non-albuminous seed. 2. Cotyledon of monocot seed. C. Epiblast. 3. Groundnut. D. Perisperm. 4. Rudimentary cotyledon. Choose the option with all correct matches. 1. A2. B3. C4. D1. 2. A4. B3. C2. D1. 3. A4. B3. C1. D2. 4. A2. B4. C3. D1. Answer. 1. A2. B3. C4. D1. 52. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. All vertebrates are chordates but all chordates are not vertebrate. Reason R. The members of subphylum Vertebrata possess notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in adults. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. 4. A is false but R is true. Answer. 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 53. Identify the statement that is not correct. 1. Each antibody has 2 light and 2 heavy chains. 2. The heavy and light chains are held together by disulfide bonds. 3. Antigen binding site is located at C-terminal region of antibody molecules. 4. Constant region of heavy and light chains are located at C-terminus of antibody molecules. Answer. 3. Antigen binding site is located at C-terminal region of antibody molecules. 54. Silencing of specific mRNA is possible via RNAi because of 1. Complementary dsRNA. 2. Inhibitory ssRNA. 3. Complementary tRNA. 4. Non-complementary ssRNA. Answer. 1. Complementary dsRNA. 55. Genes R and Y follow independent assortment. If RRYY produce round yellow seeds and RRYY produce wrinkled green seeds, what will be the phenotypic ratio of the F2 generation? 1. Phenotypic ratio 1, 2, 1. 2. Phenotypic ratio 3, 1. 3. Phenotypic ratio 9, 3, 3, 1. 4. Phenotypic ratio 9, 7. Answer. 3. Phenotypic ratio 9, 3, 3, 1. 56. Histones are enriched with 1. Lysine and arginine. 2. Leucine and lysine. 3. Phenylalanine and leucine. 4. Phenylalanine and arginine. Answer. 1. Lysine and arginine. 57. The first menstruation is called 1. Menopause. 2. Menarche. 3. Diapause. 4. Ovulation. Answer. 2. Menaki. 58. Match list L with list 2. List L. List eel. A. Heart. I. Erythropoietin. B. Kidney. 2. Aldosterone. C. Gastrointestinal tract. 3. Atrial natriuretic factor. D. Adrenal cortex. IV. Secretin. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A2, B1, C3, D4. 2A5, B3, C2, D1. 3A1, B3, C4, D2. 4A3, B1, C4, D2. Answer: 4A3, B1, C4, D2. 59. The protein portion of an enzyme is called 1. Cofactor, 2. Coenzyme, 3. Apoenzyme, 4. Prosthetic group. Answer: 3. Apoenzyme. 60. Which of the following is the unit of productivity of an ecosystem? 1. GM-2, 2. kCalm-2, 3. kCalm-cube, 4. kCalm-2, yr-1. Answer: 4. kCalm-2, yr-1. 61. Sweet potato and potato represent a certain type of evolution. Select the correct combination of terms to explain the evolution. 1. Analogy, convergent. 2. Homology, divergent. 3. Homology, convergent. 4. Analogy, divergent. Answer: 1. Analogy, convergent. 62. With the help of given pedigree, find out the probability for the birth of a child having no disease and being a carrier, has the disease mutation in one allele of the gene, in F3 generation. 1, 1, 4. 2, 1, 2. 3, 1, 8. 4, 0. Answer: 1, 1/4. 63. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A, and other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A: cells of the tapetum possess dense cytoplasm and generally have more than one nucleus. Reason R: presence of more than one nucleus in the tapetum increases the efficiency of nourishing the developing microspore mother cells. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both are and rare true and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both are and rare true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. 4. A is false but R is true. Answer: 3. A is true but R is false. 64. How many meiotic and mitotic divisions need to occur for the development of a mature female gametophyte from the megaspore mother cell in an angiosperm plant? 1. 2 meiosis and 3 mitosis. 2. 1 meiosis and 2 mitosis. 3. 1 meiosis and 3 mitosis. 4. No meiosis and 2 mitosis. Answer: 3. 1 meiosis and 3 mitosis. 65. Which of the following is an example of a zygomorphic flower? 1. Petunia. 2. Datura. 3. Pea. 4. Chili. Answer: 3. Pea. 66. After maturation, in primary lymphoid organs, the lymphocytes migrate for interaction with antigens to secondary lymphoid organs, tissues like A. Thymus. B. Bone marrow. C. Spleen. D. Lymph nodes. E. Peyer's patches. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. B, C, D only. 2. A, B, C only. 3. E, A, B only. 4. C, D, E only. Answer: 4. C, D, E only. 67. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Fig fruit is a non-vegetarian fruit as it has enclosed fig wasps in it. Statement 2. Fig wasp and fig tree exhibit mutual relationship as fig wasp completes its life cycle in fig fruit and fig fruit gets pollinated by fig wasp. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer: 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 68. What is the main function of the spindle fibers during mitosis? 1. To separate the chromosomes. 2. To synthesize new DNA. 3. To repair damaged DNA. 4. To regulate cell growth. Answer: 1. To separate the chromosomes. 69. Which one of the following is the characteristic feature of gymnosperms? 1. Seeds are enclosed in fruits. 2. Seeds are naked. 3. Seeds are absent. 4. Gymnosperms have flowers for reproduction. Answer. 2. Seeds are naked. 70. Consider the following statements regarding function of adrenal medullary hormones. A. It causes pupillary constriction. B. It is a hyperglycemic hormone. C. It causes piloerection. D. It increases strength of heart contraction. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. C and D only. 2. B. C and D only. 3. A. C and D only. 4. D only. Answer. 2. B. C and D only. 71. Why can't insulin be given orally to diabetic patients? 1. Human body will elicit strong immune response. 2. It will be digested in gastrointestinal (GI) tract. 3. Because of structural variation. 4. Its bioavailability will be increased. Answer. 2. It will be digested in gastrointestinal (GI) tract. 72. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Pteridophyte. 1. Salvia. B. Bryophyte. 2. Ginkgo. C. Angiosperm. 3. Polytrichum. D. Gymnosperm. 4. Salvini. Choose the option with correct matches. 1. A3, B4, C2, D1. 2. A4, B3, C1, D2. 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. 4. A4, B3, C2, D1. Answer. 2. A4, B3, C1, D2. 73. Who proposed that the genetic code for amino acids should be made up of 3 nucleotides? 1. George Gamow. 2. Francis Crick. 3. Jack Monod. 4. Franklin Stahl. Answer. 1. George Gamow. 74. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. The Evil Quartet. 1. Cryopreservation. B. Ex situ conservation. 2. Allen species invasion. C. Lantana camera. 3. Causes of biodiversity losses. D. Dodo. 4. Extinction. Choose the option with all correct matches. 1. A3, B2 C1, D4. 2. A3, B1, C2, D4. 3. A3, B4, C2, D1. 4. A3, B2, C4, D1. Answer. 2. A3, B1, C2, D4. 75. Which of the following hormones released from the pituitary is actually synthesized in the hypothalamus? 1. Luteinizing hormone, LH. 2. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH. 3. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. 4. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. Answer. 2. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH. 76. Role of the water vascular system in echinoderms is A. Respiration and locomotion. Excretion and locomotion. C. Capture and transport of food. D. Digestion and respiration. E. Digestion and excretion. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A and B only. 2. R and C only. 3. B and C only. 4. B, D and E only. Answer. 2. R and C only. 77. Which of the following type of immunity is present at the time of birth and is a non-specific type of defense in the human body? 1. Acquired immunity. 2. Innate immunity. 3. Cell-mediated immunity. 4. Humoral immunity. Answer. 2. Innate immunity. 78. In bryophytes, the gamete help in which one of the following? 1. Sexual reproduction. 2. Asexual reproduction. 3. Nutrient absorption. 4. Gaseous exchange. Answer. 2. Asexual reproduction. 79. In frog, the renal portal system is a special venous connection that acts to link 1. Liver and intestine. 2. Liver and kidney. 3. Kidney and intestine. 4. Kidney and lower part of body. Answer. 4. Kidney and lower part of body. 80. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In ecosystem, there is unidirectional flow of energy of sun from producers to consumers. Statement 2. Ecosystems are exempted from second law of thermodynamics. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement is incorrect. 81. Which of the following statements about Rubisco is true? 1. It is active only in the dark. 2. It has higher affinity for oxygen than carbon dioxide. 3. It is an enzyme involved in the photolysis of water. 4. It catalyzes the carboxylation of RUP. Answer. 4. It catalyzes the carboxylation of RUP. 82. Which of the following enzymes are not essential for gene cloning? A. Restriction enzymes. B. DNA ligase. C. DNA mutase. D. DNA recombinase. E. DNA polymerase. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. C and D only. 2. A and B only. 3. D and E only. 4. B and C only. Answer. 1. C and D only. 83. Read the following statements on plant growth and development. A. Parthenocopy can be induced by auxins. B. Plant growth regulators can be involved in promotion as well as inhibition of growth. C. Dedifferentiation prerequisite for redifferentiation. D. Abscisic acid is a plant growth promoter. E. Apical dominance promotes the growth of lateral buds. Choose the option with all correct statements. 1. A, B, C only. 2. A, C, E only. 3. A, D, E only. 4. B, D, E only. Answer. 1. A, B, C only. 84. Which factor is important for termination of transcription? 1. Alpha. 2. Sigma. 3. Rho. 4. Gamma. Answer. 3. Rho. 85. Frogs respire in water by skin and buccal cavity and on land by skin, buccal cavity and lungs. Choose the correct answer from the following. 1. The statement is true for water but false for land. 2. The statement is true for both the environment. 3. The statement is false for water but true for land. 4. The statement is false for both the environment. Answer. 3. The statement is false for water but true for land. 86. Twins are born to a family that lives next door to you. The twins are a boy and a girl. Which of the following must be true? 1. They are monozygotic twins. 2. They are fraternal twins. 3. They were conceived through in vitro fertilization. 4. They have 75% identical genetic content. Answer. 2. They are fraternal twins. 87. Which of the following microbes is not involved in the preparation of household products? A. Aspergillus niger. B. Lactobacillus. C. Trichoderma polysporum. D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. E. Propionibacterium shermanite. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A and B only. 2. R and Conley. 3. C and D only. 4. C and E only. Answer. 2. R and Conley. 88. Match list 1 with LIST2. List 1. LIST2. A. Progesterone. 1. Pars intermedia. B. Relaxin. 2. Ovary. C. Melanocyte stimulating hormone. 3. Adrenal medulla. D. Catecholamines. 4. Corpus luteum. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A4, B2, C1, D3. 2. A4, B2, C3, D1. 3. A2, B4, C1, D3. 4. A3, B2, C4, D1. Answer. 1. A4, B2, C1, D3. 89. The blue and white selectable markers have been developed which differentiate recombinant colonies from non-recombinant colonies on the basis of their ability to produce color in the presence of a chromogenic substrate. Given below are two statements about this method. Statement 1. The blue-colored colonies have DNA insert in the plasmid and they are identified as recombinant colonies. Statement 2. The colonies without blue color have DNA insert in the plasmid and are identified as recombinant colonies. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct. 2. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement I is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. 90. Which one of the following equations represents the vast per logistic growth of population? 1. D dt n equals r k n k. 2. D dt n equals r n k n k. 3. D dt n equals r n n k n 3. 4. D dt n equals n r k k. Answer. 2. D dt n equals r n k n k. Thank you.